This is Dave Espino, and welcome to eBay Hacks, the Deal Getting Edition. In this edition of eBay Hacks, you're going to learn all kinds of advanced and creative ways to find deals on and off eBay that you can flip for great profits. Recently, I've been using creative ways to find deals right on eBay itself by using a combination of hacks. And this is what you'll get in this course, these deal getting hacks. So let's get started. It's important to understand some definitions as we get started. So we want to start by discussing some very simple terms that we're going to use. Most people understand the concept of buying low and selling high, right? It's how you make money on eBay or just about anywhere else. Some people may be familiar with the concept of arbitrage. Arbitrage is really the concept of taking advantage of the price differences between two different markets. So for example, let's say that you are able to get some great deals at your local Toys R Us store. Maybe they have a clearance sale or some kind of big sale, and you're able to get some amazing deals, and then you resell those on eBay. That would be one example of arbitrage. Another example would be where you find an amazing deal on Amazon and then come over to eBay to actually sell those items. We also want to talk about supply and demand, because these are some of the things we're going to discuss in this course. Supply and demand is really simple. The more supply of an item there is, the less demand there is for it. And the more supply of an item there is, the lower the price. And consequently, the higher the demand for an item, the higher the price. So understanding these concepts of supply and demand are very important, especially because we're going to be sometimes flipping items from one marketplace to another marketplace, or even within eBay itself. You'll be buying on eBay and then reselling on eBay. And then just the concept of flipping, where you flip an item, that simply means that you resell an item for a profit. I think the key foundational thing you can understand here about this entire course is that research can lead to deals. And not only can it lead to one deal, but it can lead to ongoing deals and ongoing income streams. So do not take the research portion of this course lightly, because if you do a little bit of extra digging, that can pay off for a long, long time. So understand that research is critical to these deal-getting hacks. By researching completed listings, or what I call pre-sale research, that's a powerful way to find deals. You search completed listings in a hot category, and then you begin to find the top sellers in that category, meaning the people who are doing the best on eBay in that category. Maybe they have really high feedback, or you notice that they're selling a lot of the same item. So you start to research what they're selling. Then you can reverse engineer it and find their source of products. And then you can start selling those products just like they are. So that is a very kind of foundational and kind of a beginner understanding of some of the things we're going to do. We're going to do a lot more than this in this course, and I think you're going to be very excited at the advanced tips and tricks that you're going to learn here in the Deal Getting Hacks.